Alright, what's up guys? Back from the long weekend, and we had a pretty big gap on large caps and the ES, um, kind of across the board. And we had a decent push up into the morning, but I mean, looking at NVDA here, we closed below the 9 moving average on the daily. We popped, above that previous high on the daily, and we just sold below that, top of the range that I've been talking about. So now we're accepted back into the range. So let's see what really happens with NVIDIA. Let's look at Microsoft here. Microsoft kind of closed around its highs. Looking at the daily, we are above, not really above. We basically closed on the moving average, the 9. We pushed up and kind of just drifted sideways until time met price. And what I mean by time met price, as in kind of held sideways, and then time as in the moving average met price, and we kind of just um, hung around there. Meta, Facebook, interesting because we didn't really have a gap and we just sold off all day. Um, this was very interesting. It was a very good sell day on Amazon. Meta. Amazon is the only trade that I took today. It was an opening drive trade, first pullback on the 5 minute. So push and momentum was on our side. This looked like a trend day for me. Just right out of the gates, buying two strong bull bars on the 5 minute, and we closed uh, above my level on the 5 minute. And only on momentum days will I take a smaller time frame pullback um, to get long. So usually, let's say we're pushing up into my level and we open like a range, I will be short coming into this. And then, but on a momentum day, I will look for a long because, I'm trying to get on the side of the momentum. So I just took a 4R win over here, got in at 109.40, got out at 111, and that's just my trade for the day. All my trades are at 4R, 40 cent stop, $1.60 win. Let's look at let's look at the daily here. Actually, really interesting daily on Amazon. I mean, we pushed up, got to like 111.60, and then we just sold back all the gains. And let's check out AMD. AMD just gapped up and then kind of went sideways, and we just kind of drifted lower. Just a lot of sideways chop today, honestly. I think NVIDIA and Amazon were the only ones that gave a good opening drive move in the morning, and then after that um, it was just sell or hold sideways. Really choppy day, to be honest. Not much opportunity, but I mean, there's always a move. Yeah, that was basically it for today. I mean, not much to really discuss.